Again, I remember, this was some years ago, when I was in London. So there was a symposium. It was kind of an interfaith symposium, wherein people from so many different countries, from Africa, African countries, from Japan, from China, from US, from Australia, they all had come, gathered. And I was sent by the local ISKCON temple that you go as a representative of India. Not representative of ISKCON, but representative of India, because they were all delegates representing their own countries. And the purpose of that symposium was that every country, they have to present what is the contribution of their country towards world. So they all had to present one by one. And there was one who was comparing and he was mentioning. And then, like, I had thought of speaking something about our country and about the culture and all of that. But then at the end, the person, the organizer, the main organizer, he announced that you all can speak in your own native language of your country. And we have interpreters and they will interpret and they will translate it, but you can speak so that, you can present. So then, when India was introduced, so he said that here we have a representative from India who contributed into the world, 0. Contributed 0. Was he wrong in saying that? No. We all know India contributed, when it comes to numericals, the number 0. And another thing which India contributes into? Decimal. In Hindi it's called Dashamlav. But the way he said, with some sarcasm in it, that what is the contribution of India? 0. Like that. So then when my turn came, and I was supposed to speak in Hindi now, over there. I had prepared to speak in English, but then they said you can speak in Hindi and we have our translators. So I started. Whatever he had mentioned about 0, like that, I started. Because this was one thing which we used to sing in our Air Force days. जब 0 दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई तारों की भाषा भारत ने देता न दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था सभ्यता जहां पहले आई पहले जन्मी है जहां से कला अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया भगवान करे ये और बढ़े बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला हूँ भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said Bharat bhumit hoil manushya janmajar which means he said to be born in this holy land of Bharat is the rarest of all golden opportunity and this is the sandesh which we have to spread into the entire world which our rare Srila Prabhupada did following in the footsteps of this rarest of all gentlemen, His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada,